Are you looking for an easy and effective way to earn money online? Today, I'm going to share with you a simple method that can help you earn anywhere between $10 to $30 per day. That's roughly 800 rupees to 8,000 rupees daily. This skill is in high demand, yet there are very few people who actually offer this service. The best part? You can master this skill in just 1 hour. I will also provide the best free tutorial to help you get started. If you're considering starting an online business in the future, consider this skill a gold mine that will be useful throughout your life. This work is called data scraping and email scraping, and with the guidance in this document, you'll be able to learn it in no time. What is email scraping? Email scraping, also known as email harvesting, involves collecting email addresses from various sources on the internet. But you might be wondering, why would someone pay for this? Well, think about it. Lead generation. If I have a product or service and want to reach potential customers, I need their email addresses to market effectively. Business outreach. For business to business, B2B, marketing, companies require email lists to reach out to potential clients. Some clients even request additional contact details, such as phone numbers, company names, and locations, which can significantly increase your earnings. Real-life examples. On freelance platforms like Fiverr, people are charging anywhere from $80 to $100 for such services. A simple glance reveals freelancers who have completed over 290 orders, earning over 1 million rupees. And the work itself? It's incredibly simple, especially if you follow the tips and tricks I'll share with you. If you can operate a laptop, you are already halfway there. The techniques I'll teach you will make your work faster and easier. Essentially, this job is similar to copy-pasting data, but with a strategic approach. How to become a successful data scraper in just 1 day. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you become a successful email scraper and freelancer. Understanding the basics, learn what email scraping is and why it's valuable. Setting up tools, install simple tools and browser extensions that make data collection easy. Learning the technique, use specific search commands to find targeted emails. Organizing data, export the collected emails into Excel sheets or PDF documents for clients. Creating a freelance profile, set up a compelling profile on platforms like Fiverr. Pricing strategies, start with competitive pricing to attract clients. Handling clients, communicate effectively to understand their requirements. The simple trick for email scraping. Let's say a client wants 100 email addresses of video editors. They might be promoting a video editing software or offering a related service. Clients often specify their target audience, like platform, LinkedIn, Facebook, etc., domain, gmail.com, hotmail.com, etc. Manually copying each email would take hours. But with the trick I'll share, you can extract hundreds of emails in minutes using Google search operators combined with scraping tools. Example method. Search command. Use specific keywords and operators in Google search. Scraping tool. Install a Chrome extension that can extract emails from search results. Export data. Copy the extracted emails into an Excel sheet. Deliver to client. Organize the data neatly and send it to the client. Important information to keep in mind. While email scraping is legal when done ethically, there are some precautions you should take. Avoid spam. Ensure that your clients are not using the emails for spamming purposes. Ethical email marketing is key. Platform policies. Some freelance platforms may have restrictions on how email scraping gigs are presented. Carefully word your gig descriptions to comply with their policies. Account safety. Study profiles of successful freelancers to see how they present their services. This can help you avoid issues like account suspension. Maximizing your earnings. Although you might start with $10 to $15 per project, as you gain experience and build a strong portfolio, you can charge $45 to $50 per project, especially for B2B-led generation. Upsell services. Offer additional data points like phone numbers, company details, etc. Bundle projects, provide bulk discounts for larger projects. Diversify skills, learn related skills like data entry, lead generation, and market research. How to create an attractive freelance profile. Profile picture, use a professional photo. Headline, highlight your key skill, e.g., expert in email scraping. Account warnings, if your gig is flagged, revise your description to be more compliant with platform rules. Client issues, always clarify project requirements before starting. Workload management, use productivity tools to manage multiple projects efficiently. Final words. Email scraping is a simple yet powerful skill that can generate a steady income. While it might not make you a millionaire overnight, it's an excellent side hustle or even a full-time freelance career if you consistently deliver quality work. So, what are you waiting for? Start practicing, set up your freelance profile, and dive into the world of data scraping. With dedication and smart strategies, you'll be earning 3,000 rupees per day in no time. Thanks for watching, and best of luck on your freelancing journey.